Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So yesterday was pretty much a range day. You can see we'll get down to lower time frames and we'll get to the actual levels. But I think the key thing right now is right where price is. You can see there's quite a bit of action here. So you can see there was rejections before, there was support, rejections, and then we were bouncing around, and now we are testing it yet again, and that's at 43.83. So just looking at the oscillators are starting to roll and starting to point to the upside. This is starting to look like a flat top triangle. If we just get down to some of the levels that we can actually trade, there are two things on the go here. So firstly, we did form a series of higher lows, and you can see it does look like a little bit of a triangle here. But also to me this is a bit of confusion. You can see tails on the downside, tail to the upside, so a bit of barbed wire here. Oscillators also indicating that we should not be going short here. We should be looking for a level for support, and the 1 hour almost the same kind of setup at the moment. So right now I think what we're looking at here is, if we just get rid of that, we're basically looking at a consolidation phase. So it's either look at it as a range or as a flat top triangle or as a normal triangle. So it is consolidating. This is the last day of the month, and it is also last day of the quarter. So the big question is, was this a sell-off due to the noise that we had, as I spoke about yesterday, or is it really just investors or hedge funds and investment funds, etc., just realigning their portfolios and sort of removing stocks and adding stocks and getting ready for the last quarter? So there's merit for both ways of thinking at the moment. So yeah, I think for me, I'm still very much cautious. I will sit and wait for something to transpire, and the first thing that I'm looking at is really a break through this zone. So bottom end of the zone is 43.83, top area of the zone is 43.90. It'll probably extend all the way up to 4400. So I think that's kind of the situation we find ourselves in. I'm still not interested in this, not while we are going sideways like this. And you can see as we start you get pin bars and we get rejections, and you get a pin bar and then you get continuation, and then you get rejected off this area. So I definitely want to see us sort of bounce off this area. I'm expecting us to come back anyway. Today still we'll probably come back to the gap close. There's two gaps here we need to come back to, so I expect that to happen. So it might actually be worthwhile just looking for a long at the bottom here. Treat this as a range, take a long off the bottom and take profit at the top, and just keep doing that until we break out of the structure. If we start breaking through the lows of yesterday and Friday, all bets are off. Then this is a continuation for this big move down. Anyway, I'm still sit on hands. Last day of the month, I think I'll just wait patiently, and I actually think we do have non-farm payrolls coming out tomorrow, since it would be the first Friday of the month. Actually worth just having a look. Just give me 1 sec and just see the noise, and we have no, it doesn't look like it. So that'll be next Friday. So all right, yeah, definitely not here. There are some other numbers coming up, but that's non-farm payrolls will obviously be next Friday. Anyway, guys, I'm sitting on hands while I'm doing this. That's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.